Courtine Hall is running a 12-metre CTF system along with 36-metre chemicals applications. With the combine on a track gauge of 2.85 metres and tractors on 2 metres, tracked area is around 18%, allowing for some steering errors. A chaff deck has been fitted to this combine. This directs the light fraction along with any weed seeds directly into the wheel tracks, as illustrated in the following photo. Unloading, as you see here, is via an extra long auger on the combine that ensures the trailer or chaser can run in the adjacent traffic lane. With a 2-metre track gauge on the tractor, there is some impingement on the straw swath, but this is within acceptable limits. Baling is also on a CTF system, enabled by an angled frame on the front of the chaser tractor that slides the bales sideways into the pickup of the chaser. First, we'll look at a field that went into CTF in 2016. This was sown with a cover crop, post-harvest in 2017, and crop with sugar beet in 2018, but using operations that were largely uncontrolled. Harvesting was with a verve on 900mm wide tyres, spread across the whole width. Remedial measures included a top-down and power harrow before sowing with this wheat crop. With the fork I can run across this profile and detect where wheels have been, and this is an area where there have been wheels. You see, although the soil's quite moist, quite difficult to get this fork in, and we'll see what the soil looks like when it comes out. Quite difficult to dig out. Then you'll see here an area of quite significant compaction across here particularly. I'll show you a still of that in a moment. This is a field that's been in controlled traffic for 3 or 4 years. Now we'll just see how this digs compared with the adjacent field, which has been sugar beet. Well, you can see straight away that is so easy to push the fork in. And let's just see what comes out of that. A lovely friable, I mean, what more could you want? That is becoming a perfect structured soil. It's had little or no tillage input. All we've done is taken the traffic off it for several years, and now it's a beautifully crumbly soil right down to pretty deep in the profile. I think that speaks for itself. This is looking at infiltration in the field where sugar beet was grown. These 2 rings are just open-ended rings, about 100mm long, knocked into the soil, and you can see here that despite being in slightly contrasting areas, both rings drain within about 15 seconds, so quite a high infiltration rate. We now come to the same test in the field which had been in controlled traffic permanently for 3 or more years. Although this is obviously better structure, as we've seen from the photos and digging into it, infiltration was actually slower here, but still at a rate of about 2,500mm per hour, well exceeding any rainfall that we might experience in this part of the world. The explanation may be the fact of disruptive cultivation on the field with sugar beet that has opened up larger pores within the profile, down which the water could run more freely. Certainly the slower infiltration on the CTF plot is unlikely to be of detriment, and might even be an advantage of not losing water and perhaps nutrients directly to the drainage system.